Take this tool out of your trunk where the tire tools are, where the jack is. Just grab these caps, slide them off if you have them. And then if you have a wheel lock, use the wheel lock key that's also in the trunk. Take a 17mm socket, take these lug bolts out. When you get to the last one, hold the tire on so it doesn't fall. Take the bolt out, and then grab the tire and slide it off. Use a 15/16 wrench or a 24mm wrench and loosen up the jam nut. Take an 18mm socket, take this nut off. There's many different types of front end tools that you can use to remove this, and you could even tap it with a hammer at the bottom. I'm just going to use one like this and just separate the tie rod from the knuckle. Now take the tie rod off. When you unscrew it, you want to count the turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So write that number down somewhere so you can put the new one on the same way it came off. Take the outer tie rod and install it, and just make sure you count the turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 20, and put it back where it was when you took it off. Move the jam nut over a little bit. Now line the knuckle up, slide the tie rod through the knuckle, get the bolt started. You can use a bar, a pry bar, and just pry down on the tie rod. Just snug this up a little bit. Now we want to torque this nut to 14 foot-pounds and then an additional 90 degrees. If you don't have a torque angle meter, just do the best you can. And tighten the jam nut. And if you have the ability to torque this, torque that to 50 foot-pounds. Otherwise, do the best you can. Now reinstall the wheel. Put the lug bolts in. Now I'm going to torque these lug bolts to 89 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Take the wheel lock off and reinstall the caps. Just line them up. Make sure you put your tools back in the trunk. After you've done this job, make sure you bring the vehicle to a local garage and have it aligned to make sure you don't have premature tire wear.